Feroze Aziz joining us, joint CEO of Anand Rathi, and we're talking about the impact of Jane Street on the market right now. Feroze, were you, surprised by seeing the quantum of the profits, the quantum of how much SEBI is impounding, and how big this whole situation was?
Good morning. I personally think I'm not surprised. I've been a derivative trader myself for about 20 odd years, running a reasonably large treasury. I've been warning that the amounts are very large. Why are they so large? They're so large for two reasons. There could be a corresponding loss in the cash market position, which is going to be small. This is the net derivative profit. The second thing which happens is they have tried to not just look at dictating cash market prices. There's one technical glitch which they have capitalized upon, and that's not being spoken about. Why is there such large profit? Because an option of 1 rupee, when somebody sells on an expiry day, hoping that he'll get to keep that 1 rupee, which is as good as free money, he puts a stop loss of 3 rupees. When a trader puts a stop loss of 3 rupees, he's also mandated to put till when the stop loss should get executed. So the trader puts 3 rupees stop loss up to 5 rupees. So what would any manipulator do is try and make sure that 3 rupees gets breached and there is no volume between 3 and 5 rupees, for example. So then a trader stop loss gets null and void. So then he has to go back on the terminal and manually square off. That's why you see a 1 rupee option becoming 100 rupees. That's why these quantums are so large, because anybody can build 10 crores of options by buying 1 rupee into 10 crores, and make it from 10 crores to 100 times more, because stop losses don't work. Because stop losses always have a limit between 3 and 10, 3 and 7, but there's no volume between that, so stop losses go away and then somebody manually needs to unwind. So that's why I'm not very surprised, to answer your question back, that these are the volumes of profits possible if you are wanting to evade the stop loss of your opponent.
It's manipulation. It's not correct. Do you think it'll have any impact on the markets today, Feroze, negative or positive?
See, I think derivatives, I don't think it'll have an impact. What is again got unnoticed by the media of all the channels is yesterday, day before yesterday, 1st July, there's a new circular which has come, which limits long positions as well. And we have moved, first time in the history of India, options have moved from notional to delta computations. It's a long story, maybe for another day, but now a 1 rupee option, which had the same notional value, then an at-the-money option, almost the same notional value, with an at-the-money option with 50 rupees premium, will no more be the case. So deltas are going to be computed. Delta is nothing but the relative movement of the option price with respect to the underlying. So 1 rupee option and 50 rupee option having the same notional value, but different delta values significantly. So we are moving to delta. So will it have an impact on the market, on the derivative market? No, because this has been fixed by SEBI already on 1st of July. So it's a good circular to read through. I'm so amazed of how technical the circular is and how a derivative trader earning millions of dollars can be made sure that he or she is on the right path.
Yeah, okay. So a lot to unpack there. Feroze, thank you so much. 11 points up on the implied open.